11 countries where getting citizenship is very easy. Imagine being able to obtain citizenship in a foreign country simply by making an investment. In this video, we'll explore 10 countries where this dream can become a reality. From scenic Caribbean islands to European nations, these countries offer citizenship through various investment programs. Stay tuned to discover how you can potentially become a citizen of these countries with just a simple investment. If you're interested by the idea of owning multiple passports or simply fascinated by the world of citizenship by investment, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't miss out on future videos exploring unique opportunities around the globe. 11. Dominica. Dominica is known as the Nature Isle of the Caribbean, offers citizenship through its Citizenship by Investment program. This lush, volcanic island boasts pristine rainforests, stunning waterfalls, and hot springs. Applicants can obtain citizenship by investing in either the government fund or approved real estate projects. Dominica's Citizenship by Investment program requires a minimum investment of $100,000 in the government fund option or a minimum investment of $200,000 in approved real estate. It comes with an added benefits including visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to over 140 countries, including the Schengen area and the United Kingdom. Dominica's citizenship is hereditary and offers favorable tax policies, with no wealth, inheritance, or capital gains taxes. The application process involves due diligence checks and background screenings to ensure the integrity of new citizens. Dominica's CIP provides an attractive pathway to citizenship for investors seeking global mobility, financial security, and a peaceful Caribbean lifestyle. 10. Grenada. Grenada, the Spice Isle of the Caribbean, offers a citizenship by investment program renowned for its family-friendly benefits. The island's stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and welcoming culture make it a delightful destination. Grenada's Citizenship by Investment program requires a minimum investment of $150,000 in the National Transformation Fund or a minimum investment of $250,000 in an approved real estate project. Additional fees and costs are also involved in the application process. With a Grenada passport, you gain visa-free access to over 140 countries, including the UK and EU Schengen area. The cost of living is affordable with the monthly expenses to about $1,200 and a rental property can start around $500 a month. 9. St. Kitts and Nevis. St. Kitts and Nevis, a picturesque twin-island nation in the Caribbean, is renowned for its esteemed Citizenship by Investment program. Established in 1984, it stands as one of the oldest and most respected programs globally, offering individuals a direct path to citizenship through investment. You can invest starting at $150,000. Applicants can qualify by either making a significant contribution to the Sugar Industry Diversification Foundation or investing in approved real estate projects. Beyond its citizenship program, St. Kitts and Nevis boasts stunning natural beauty, including pristine beaches, lush rainforests, and breathtaking landscapes. The island's rich history and vibrant culture add to their allure, making them a captivating destination for travelers worldwide. Obtaining citizenship in St. Kitts and Nevis not only grants visa-free access to over 150 countries, including the Schengen area and the UK, but also opens up a world of opportunities for business, travel, and lifestyle enhancement. Your monthly expenses can be as low as $1,300 and rental prices could start at around $600 per month. 8. Turkey. Turkey, a country bridging Europe and Asia, offers a rich tapestry of culture, history, and stunning landscapes. From the vibrant bazaars of Istanbul to The ancient ruins of Ephesus, Turkey is a treasure trove of experiences. Its warm hospitality, delicious cuisine, and diverse attractions make it a must-visit destination. You can become a citizen of this country through investment programs, real estate's investment, which requires an investment of $400,000 in the Turkish real estate market, and you can become the citizen of a Turkey within 4 months. Turkey's program may not offer any global perks compared to other citizenship programs. It provides visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to nearly 110 destinations, which make Turkish citizenship attractive to investors from developing countries. The MUOK expense for a single person averaging around $700. Rental prices for a comfortable home start from about $300 per month, making Turkey an appealing destination for those seeking a new citizenship. 7. Jordan. Jordan, located in the heart of the Middle East, is a country steeped in history and culture. Home to ancient wonders like Petra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its rock-cut architecture, Jordan offers a glimpse into the past like no other place on Earth. The Dead Sea, the lowest point on Earth, offers unique floating experiences and therapeutic mud baths. Jordan offered a citizenship by investment program through real estate investment. The program requires an investment of $750,000 in real estate, making it the most affordable route to citizenship in country. It also offers other options such as bank deposits, treasury bonds, or shares with a starting point of $1 million. The cost of living is reasonable, with the monthly expenses for a single person averaging around $1,000. Rental prices for a comfortable living space start at around $300 per month. 6. Malta. Malta is a small island nation in the Mediterranean Sea, offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. From its ancient temples, medieval towns, and Baroque architecture to its stunning beaches and clear blue waters, Malta is a destination that delights visitors with its charm and character. Its investment program requires an investment of around $280,000, which grants a residence permit in 1 year and citizenship in 3 years. They also have an option with lower investment amount of $667,000 to citizenship of 3 years as well. It offers visa-free travel to 129 countries along with a comfortable lifestyle. The cost of living in Malta for a single person averaging around $1,000 per month. Rental prices for a cozy home start at about $700 per month, offering a quality lifestyle. 5. Peru. Peru is located in South America. To qualify for naturalization, applicants typically need to have legally resided in Peru for a minimum period, usually to 2-3 years, although this requirement can vary. The investment required to obtain citizenship is around $25,000. Living in Peru offers an affordable lifestyle with a monthly expenses of around $1,000 to $1,500 depending up to the location and lifestyle choices. Rental housing are also reasonable, starting from around $400 per month. You must also demonstrate good conduct, proficiency in Spanish, knowledge of Peruvian laws, and a basic understanding of Peruvian history and culture. Once granted citizenship, individuals enjoy the same rights and responsibilities as Peruvian-born citizens, including access to social services, voting rights, and the ability to travel using a Peruvian passport. 4. Portugal. Portugal, a country of rich history and stunning landscapes, offers a captivating blend of old-world charm and modernity. From the historic streets of Lisbon to the picturesque vineyards of the Douro Valley, Portugal is a destination that enchants visitors with its beauty, culture, and warm hospitality. Naturalization is a common pathway for foreigners to acquire Portuguese citizenship. investment of approximately $280,000 is required, with a monthly living expenses for a single person averaging around $11,200. Rental prices for a decent home starts from about $600 per month to qualify. Individuals typically need to have legally resided in Portugal for a minimum period of 5 years, although some exceptions apply, such as for spouses of Portuguese citizens or individuals of Portuguese-speaking countries. 3. Ireland. Ireland is famed for its stunning landscapes and rich cultural heritage, offers a captivating blend of history and natural beauty. From the iconic cliffs of Moher to the lively streets of Dublin, Ireland's charm is undeniable. Its warm hospitality, vibrant music scene, and ancient folklore make it a must-visit destination. Ireland has a welcoming LGBT community, with Dublin hosting vibrant Pride celebrations. The country legalized same-sex marriage in 2015, reflecting its progressive attitudes. In terms of taxes, Ireland has a moderate tax regime with a 12.5% corporate tax rate, attracting many multinational companies to establish their European headquarters in the country. The cost of living for a single person is approximately $1,200. Rental prices vary based on location and accommodation size, starting at around $800 per month for a one-bedroom apartment. 2. Armenia. Armenia offers citizenship primarily through birth, descent, or naturalization. Naturalization is the most common pathway for foreigners to acquire Armenian citizenship. To qualify, individuals typically need to have legally resided in Armenia for a minimum period, which can vary but is generally 3 to 5 years. You will require an investment of around $20,000 in various areas such as company shares or government bonds. Armenian offers an affordable life with a monthly expenses for a single person averaging around $600. Rental prices for a comfortable homes start at about $300 per month. 1. Canada. Canada is located in North America and is known for its stunning landscapes and multicultural cities, offers a diverse range of experiences. From the majestic Rocky Mountains to the vibrant streets of Toronto, Canada is a country of natural beauty and cultural richness. Its friendly people, top-notch healthcare, and high quality of life make it a popular destination. To receive residency, individuals typically need to have legally resided in Canada for a minimum period, usually 3 to 5 years, as a permanent resident. You must demonstrate proficiency in English or French, knowledge of Canada's rights, responsibilities, and history, and pass a citizenship test. Canada offers a high quality of life with a focus on work-life balance and outdoor activities. The cost of living for a single person averages around $11,000 per month, excluding rent. Prices for one-bedroom apartment in city centers can start from $900 per month. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Your feedback is valuable to us.